Hello all visionary students, Will Northlick with you here again. And for this video I wanted to focus specifically on minor scales. Minor scales. Minor scales can be a little bit weird sometimes to understand because there are three different variants of the minor scale and each variant has different things going on in it. And the three variants are the natural minor scale, the harmonic minor scale, and the melodic minor scale. Natural, harmonic, and melodic. And we're going to examine each one of those variants here and examine the things that are going on within them. This will help you master the world of minor scales and furthermore how it works with the guitar in a variety of octaves, as well as maybe in your songwriting, in your soloing, in your creating riffs, and things of this nature. So, I'm going to stay within the key of A. I'm going to stay in the key of A, as I did with my pentatonic video. Key of A is particularly helpful in understanding scales of this nature because it has no sharps and no flats, similar to the key of C major. No sharps, no flats there. And this will really help us zero in specifically on the things that change from one variant to another. So, I'm going to say and play the notes starting on fret 5, string 6, of the A minor scale, and I'm also say the fret, and I'm going to do it in 1 and 2 octaves. So we have A, fret 5, string 6, B, fret 7, C, fret 8, next string 5, we have D, fret 5, fret 7, E, fret 8, F, next string 4, we have a G, which is fret number 5, and finally A on fret 7. Here it is in 2 octaves, up and down. Okay, and so that is our natural minor scale. Nope, nothing changed. It's just using the regular notes of the key of A minor with no changes or no weird aberrations to it at all. And now we move on to the harmonic minor scale. This is personally my favorite minor scale because it's got a really interesting little twist to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take the 7th scale degree of A minor, and we are going to sharp it, which means we're going to move it up 1 fret. So we're going to have A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, and then A. Okay, so the scale sounds like this. And the sharp is going to come on string number 4, where instead of playing the regular old G, as I did in the natural minor scale, we're just going to move that up to fret number 6. So here's how it sounds. A really interesting change, and here it is in 2 octaves. So when you switch from natural to harmonic, you want to be sure that your G note is sharped. No matter where you might encounter that G, instead of playing the G natural, there's that 1 fret of difference. And it also happens when you're moving it in 2 octaves because you're going to be wanting to hit that G sharp right before the A on the 1st string. Okay. It gives it a really cool sound. I can't put my finger on it, but it's my favorite kind of minor scale. And now we move on to the melodic minor scale. The melodic minor scale now, and brace yourself because there's 2 really weird changes going on in this one. It goes up in a different way than the harmonic and natural did, in that we're not only sharping the 7th scale degree, we're also sharping the 6th. So what we have is a kind of weird minor major sound when we ascend the A melodic minor scales, and it sounds like this. And this scale is really weird because, as I said, it's got kind of a minor feel and a major feel to it at the same time. So instead of now when we hit our, we want to sharp that 6th scale degree, and we want to move this pinky finger from fret number 8 up to fret 9. So instead of hitting here, we go, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, which would be the sharp 6th scale degree, then G sharp. But now what happens is instead of coming back down the same way, we come back down the melodic minor route by flattening those 7th and 6th scale degrees back to their original position. So what was F sharp and G sharp now become G natural and F natural. So the melodic scale up and back sounds like this. Once again. So there you have it. And I really wish somebody had told me this when I was younger, because it would have made a lot of things a lot more clear for me. But there you have the 3 basic minor scale variants: harmonic, melodic, and natural. Or, as we reviewed in the video, natural, harmonic, and melodic. And let's review, which is that natural keeps all of the scale degrees the same. There's no change. Harmonic sharps the 7th scale degree, so whatever the 7th scale degree is in the scale in the key you happen to be in, you want to increase that by 1 fret, or increase that by 1 sharp, or if it's a flat note, then you want to naturalize it. And then melodic sharps the 6th and 7th scale degrees going up, so you've got a major minor feel to the scale, but then coming back down, the scale is a natural minor scale coming back down, because those 6th and 7th scale degrees get naturalized back to the original place that they were. And so there you have it. All of the minor scale variants. I encourage you to move those around in all 12 of the chromatic keys and have some fun with it. Try it in 1 octave, 2 octave, 3 octaves, 4 octaves. Maybe that's not possible. Try it in multiple different kinds of octaves. Combine those with your pentatonic scale, and pretty soon you will be master of not only all the minor scales, but the pentatonic scales as well. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.